Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips S5305 speaker and I'm going to show you how can easily enable or disable LED lights. As you can see, when I play music, our LED lights are turned on. If I want to disable it, I just have to click on this button over here. Wait a moment, I have to show you the difference. Now they're turned on and now off. As you can see, it's working. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.